What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So I know that it has been a long time since the last house vlog, but as you can see, we're actually sale agreed. Hopefully it's been one of those situations where better late than never, but we just got busy as with trying to get it done in time, really, because we were starting to run out of money and videos just went on the back burner. Super stoked with how it's come out though, so I don't have that much battery on my camera, so I'll flip it around and give you guys a quick tour. So new front door, new front step that was all rotten away, and then got these doors fitted, and as you can see, it's night and day compared to what it was. So you come through your new electrical box, still the same fuse box and everything, we just tidied everything up around it. Put these glazed doors in just to sort of open everything up, make it all feel bigger and lighter. As you can see, it's all new carpet, new flooring, laminate flooring all the way through here, new carpet in here. We spent hours and hours fixing up the cornice in here because of it being all cracked and whatnot. There was heaps of the little things that just took me way longer, like the cornice and stuff like that, that sort of just pushed the time frame out way further than I thought. The big stuff came together quite quick. It was mostly like plastering more than we expected to, and then heaps of the little bits that just, you know, a couple of days, and then next thing you know, it was a few weeks were gone. But radiators are all painted grey, sort of match with the grey carpet. We, as you guys know, moved the boiler into here, so that's all tickety-boo, good to go. Fixed up these cupboards. And in the dining room, I ended up not being able to find anything I was happy with to match the cornice on there, so we just squared it off. But it's actually not too noticeable, so I'm happy with that. With everything being white, it's not really too bad. Yeah, everything in here's all new skirts and everything. The understairs cupboard, which you guys would have seen us build, is pretty well good to go. Got the gas and everything behind there. That's just magneted on there. I've got a power point down here for rechargeable vacuums, things like that. So it's actually real nice and bright in here in the evenings because everything's so white. And then the kitchen. Has turned out mint. We were super happy with how this turned out, really. Just, I know if anything, like style wise, it's probably quite boring and just white, but we just wanted it clean and easy to settle and not too personalised to where someone else might not like it. I mean, someone can go and chuck some colour in here without problem. But yeah, then this obviously was the new window that we fitted to replace that old shitty one. Outside, we haven't really done that much outside. Just fixed things up, really cleaned it. We were planning on doing a bit more outside, but just time and money got away on us and got to the point where we were like happy enough to put on the market. So ended up replacing, like on that window and a couple of the front windows, there's little PVC flashings that were missing and stuff like that. So just a general clean up out here and a lick of paint. And then we head back through to upstairs. Put my shoes off. Upstairs is all super white as well. So we'll go through the little bedroom first. As you guys might remember, we dropped the ceiling in here and moved that door back as well. So it's all made a big difference. Nice little bedroom there actually. And then our middle bedroom. It's just about the same. We had the drop ceiling in here. It's all pretty basic. Got rid of that big rotten cupboard that was there. We ended up on the two bigger rooms, we did just like a grey feature wall just to break up the white. And the main bedroom. And the boys did an awesome job of plastering the cove in here. The cove looks awesome. Sort of hard to see on the video with the white, but a lot of angle changes and stuff. It all came up mint. And then I'll go through and show you the bathroom. Because considering the limited space, we were pretty happy how that turned out. So, in the bathroom, because these houses have real small bathrooms, this is what we ended up with. The grey tiles and a space saver bath, so it goes from 700 down to 500 at that end. Just gave us enough room to put a vanity in, so there's some sort of storage in here, not just a pedestal sink. So, actually pretty stoked with that. Nice rain shower head and everything in, folding glass. It's actually really good considering the space. We had the boys come and do a bit on the roof, replaced a few slates and stuff up there. They gave that a once over. I don't think what else. Everything else was just pretty basic really. I think common sense stuff, a lot of the like messing around, decorating, even all new doors upstairs. Had Jay from Collier Brothers, he came, hung a heap of the doors and stuff, but even like that took longer than it should have because all the door frames, the old door frames are all over the place. So just little things like that were just more time. But we're at the tail end of it now and super stoked with how it's looking. I'll probably go through now, get a few more little like slow-mo beauty clips of it all. So I'll chuck those in now. Alrighty guys, so cheers for checking out this video of the sort of end progress. I know there wasn't much in between. We're not sure what we're going to do next, whether we do another little do-up project and flip like this or do a house that we're going to live in. We're sort of umming and ahhing. We've got a couple of little holidays planned for the camper van, so we're going to probably focus on that for the moment. Oh well, hopefully you guys liked it. It was a shitload of work. Enjoyed it, but it's a lot of long days and late nights, but we'll see. With the sale agreed, once we get that all signed and sealed and delivered, then hopefully it was worth it. So yeah, just checking it out. Catch you in the next one. Underneath the cupboard is this little fella. He obviously didn't make it out. That's probably why it didn't smell too flash in here. This bloody big cat.